Hello everybody, my name is Jonas, and in the next minutes I would like to explain to you why today is a historical moment for Sigrist. To understand the importance of this, let us go back in time for just a second. First instruments were built by Mr. Dr. Sigrist in 1946, and over the years more and more instruments were built. The C series and the K series were started, and nowadays almost all instruments are built using the 5th generation, the so-called ENG or new generation platform. I'm very excited to announce the 6th generation as of today, which we call the platform EdGe. So let us start off with an impression that is probably familiar to many of you. We have a control unit SICON paired with a photometer, in this case a TurBiScat. And we asked ourselves how this situation could be improved. Well, we have a photometer, we have a control unit, and we have communication modules that are built into the SICON. So in the first step we said, why can't we integrate the communication modules consequently into the photometer? Then we thought, well, it would be nice if we could add a little display to the photometers. And then we said, well, the control unit SICON is really only used in rare occasions. So why not add Wi-Fi to the platform and add a nice web interface for configuration? This makes the SICON a truly optional component. It still works together with sensors of the platform EdGe. However, it has limited functionality. So in the end, what we see here really is the concept of the new platform EdGe. We have a photometer with built-in communication modules, a display and Wi-Fi, and a nice web interface for configuration. So let us dig a little bit deeper. Platform EdGe is a collection of PCBs and a lot of software. In its essentials, each instrument is built out of 3 PCBs. So let us look at these 3 components individually. We will start off with the sensor board, because this is where the Sigrist's measurement magic actually happens. It manages the whole rather complex measurement process. You can imagine that different measurements tasks will require different sensor boards. So what we're looking at here is a sensor board to measure turbidity in liquids, as this would be the case in a TurBiScat. The second component is the EdGe core, which really is the heart of the new platform. It does all the heavy lifting. We are in the middle of a digital transformation. New communication, security, and usability requirements call for enough computing power and storage capabilities. The EdGe core is designed to meet these needs. Its probably neatest feature is the built-in Wi-Fi, or wireless LAN as we call it in Europe. As you will see in a moment, it offers a whole set of new opportunities. In addition, the EdGe core hosts an embedded display. This allows us to equip new sensors with an embedded display. The display gives a quick overview over instrument status and measurement values, measurement trends, communication configurations such as IP addresses, or system information such as serial number, uptime, and software versions. But most importantly, it allows us to activate the built-in Wi-Fi, which for security reasons is turned off by default. So let me show you how to connect to the new platform EdGe devices. In a first step, you will navigate to the Wi-Fi settings screen. You can then take your smartphone and open your Wi-Fi settings. The instrument presents itself as a regular Wi-Fi access point. Here it would be TurBiScat followed by the serial number. You can then enter the password and hit enter. The sensor automatically detects that a new Wi-Fi connection has been established and presents you with another screen. From here on, simply open your preferred browser, say Chrome or Safari or Firefox, and enter the given IP address. And as you will see, within seconds you will reach the sensor's default login page. Now some of you might have wondered, why is there a QR code? Well, if you have a smartphone, what you can also do is simply take your camera and the Wi-Fi and the QR code will automatically open the browser for you and bring you to the login page. From here on, you can log in. The web interface allows us to offer you with everything you need to configure, monitor, and maintain your sensors. The web interface is designed responsive, so it works on smartphones, computers, and bigger screens alike. So far, we have been talking a lot about the sensor board and the EdGe core component. However, the third essential component is the COM module. Communication modules allow us to add the required communication capabilities to a sensor. We have currently 4 COM modules that are in planning, which are the EdGe, EdGe-PoE, EdGe-Profinet, and EdGe-Profibus. EdGe-Profinet and EdGe-Profibus will support the widely used communication standards originally developed by Siemens. However, let us focus on these first 2 a little bit more. Starting off with the EdGe-IO. This is our basic input-output model. It is the first available COM module, so you can purchase it as of today. You can take the web interface and via software configure several outputs. You can configure up to 4 current outputs, up to 4 digital outputs, RS-485 Modbus RTU, or up to 2 digital inputs. We believe that the COM module EdGe-IO will allow integration in most standard and existing situations and is your best bet to start off with. Let me also present EdGe-PoE to you, which basically is a communication model that adds Ethernet or LAN functionality to our sensors. It is in late development stage and we have working prototypes in-house already. It allows us to access the continuous web interface or read values using Modbus TCP. In the future, we will also like to bring OPC UA and MQTT to the platform. These 2 technologies are the essence of industrial IoT. But as the name suggests, this COM module also makes the sensor power over Ethernet capable. In a normal setup, you will bring one cable with 24 volts power and an Ethernet LAN cable. However, if you wish, PoE also allows us to fuse these 2 cables into one cable. This can greatly simplify installations and save a lot of copper. I am confident that power over Ethernet and similar technologies will dominate factory floors and production plants of the future. So let us wrap things up. Platform EdGe is a set of new electronics and software components to build Sigrist sensors of the future. It hosts an embedded display to present the most relevant information and a Wi-Fi to connect to the future-rich and modern web interface. Sensor communication needs can be configured using one of several COM modules. And finally, future-proof computing power make the new sensors IoT ready. So in the end, it remains to mention that the TurBiScat 2X is the first instrument built on top of the platform EdGe. We are looking forward to the upcoming rollout of the TurBiScat 2X and to getting your feedback.